What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I have another Costco haul for you guys. I did one of these about 3 or 4 weeks ago and you guys really liked it and enjoyed it, so I decided to go ahead and record another haul for you. This time it's going to be a little bit different. I did go to Fry's grocery store after Costco, so I'm going to have kind of a haul from both places. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Lindsay. I have a lot of videos down in my description box for you to check out, some playlists, and I do a lot of lifestyle type videos, and I would love to have you as a subscriber. All you have to do is hit the little red button down there and also turn on the little notification bell just so you guys don't miss another video. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and just jump into this. So this is kind of the overview of everything that we got. So everything on the right side is from Costco, and then everything on this side is from Fry's grocery store. Of course, we went ahead and we like to pick up some fruit when we load up on groceries. So we got two big things of strawberries. Then we went ahead and picked up some of these organic bananas. We also got these blueberries. This is the Family Tree Farms, and this is 18 ounces here. So plenty of berries for like in our yogurt. Ava likes to eat them by themselves. This is cucumbers, and there are 3 long ones in here. The next thing I got were these are hard salami, and I actually got these in my last grocery haul. They were the first time I ate them, and I absolutely love them. I actually take a few slices to school with me in like a Tupperware, and then I also add like some fruit and crackers and all of that, and that's what I'll eat for like my little lunch at school. And then the pack actually comes in like a 2-pack. It's the organic almond dip, Chipotle, it's the bitchin' sauce. They carry it, they carry it at Costco, and we got 3 different kinds last time. They only had this kind, so I haven't tried this, but I know the other ones, we all loved it. We dipped it with like we dipped crackers in them. It's really good. Okay, then we got some organic tomato paste, and this has 12 cans in the box. Then I got these red seedless grapes, and this is a huge thing of grapes. So I like to take these for lunch, or everyone here likes to eat these for snacks. We went ahead and picked up some more Parmesan because we have been out and everybody likes to have like Parmesan on their pasta and different pastas that we cook, or pizza if we get pizza. So these crackers I haven't tried. These are fine ground sea salt almond flour crackers. They're gluten-free. They have 3 grams of protein, and they're by the Simple Meals. So there's 2 bags inside. And then for sauce, we went ahead and picked up some of this Bertolli sauce. It's organic. It is olive oil and basil and garlic. And then to go along with that, we got this variety pack of pasta. So this is the organic, made in Italy. It has basically all your different kinds, like penne, and then gemelli, and carista. I'm not even gonna try to say these. You guys see what kind they are. So they have 2 packs of each kind, so you get 6 in there. That was really nice. Back here, I went ahead and picked up some Nature Valley biscuits. We have not tried these. I'm really excited to try them. They look really good. Just something that we can all have like on a breakfast to go when we're all heading out the door, either when Shanam's heading to work or me and the kids are going to school. The next thing that we got was this paste. We get this salsa usually from like any grocery store, but it had like the 2 big ones with Capri Suns. Ava just started drinking Capri Suns a few weeks ago, and she likes those. These ones say 35% less sugar, and then they have 3 different kinds in this box. Over here, we went ahead and got some of these Mott's. These weren't on my grocery list. I always make a grocery list before I go to any store, and then I obviously pick like probably a handful of things up that we just want to try. And this right here was something that was, they were like, had taste testers, giving out taste testers, I should say. And she had some, so she really wanted these. These are made with real fruit and veggie juice, and they're just assorted fruit snacks. I went ahead and got some Goldfish for her. She likes to have those as a snack. I'll put them in our little Ziploc baggie. She can take it to school for like after nap. So another thing we got was some watermelon. If you guys have been watching our grocery hauls for a long time, you probably know we usually get watermelon. And then we went ahead and got this 4-pack of all natural ground turkey. It's 93% lean. And then we went ahead and picked up some chicken thighs. So usually for a family of 4, we make 2 of these packs just for dinner. So, and then there might be something left over that I'll have like the next day for lunch. So that's like 3 meals. And then I went ahead and got these protein bars. These are really yummy. They're the Kirkland Signature 20 count. They have chocolate chip cookie dough and chocolate brownie, which chocolate chip cookie dough is like my favorite flavor. And so here are the nutrient or the macros down here. So you got your carbs, protein, and sugar and fiber and all that stuff. I went ahead and picked up some more Mediterranean oil, and this is a really nice blend. We like cooking with this, so I went ahead. It has a blend of canola, olive, and grapeseed oil. Then I went ahead and got these Cape Cod Kettle cooked chips. They're really good. They're 40% reduced fat, but they're just really yummy. So there's nothing to explain about those. So now we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the Fry's grocery, and the reason why some things I don't get from Costco is because I don't want like a bulk size of it. I just want to get a smaller size for us, for our family. So I went ahead and just got these 2 loaves of bread. They're just regular bread and they are white. And then a lot of onions, just because I'm going to be making some meals with onions. And then we needed a head of celery, a bag of Idaho potatoes. We did get some cookies because they were on sale for $2.99 and yum. Then we got these King's Hawaiian mini sub rolls, and these are amazing. We absolutely love these. Then I went ahead and got some tortillas. We just like these yellow corn tortillas for like tacos and stuff like that. I got a couple avocados. I did get some Greek vanilla yogurt, which you guys have probably seen me eat these a lot. Me and Ava love these. I got a thing of Pop-Tarts for my hubby because he just likes these. I got a thing of Kroger 100% lemon juice. We got a lot of Lunchables here. These are for Ava to like take to school or just eat here when she wants. I got some of these like Fettuccine Alfredo and Macaroni and cheese bake. We got a couple each, and these are like something that Isaiah eats after school for a snack before dinner. That's how it is when you have a 16-year-old. And then over here I also got these Red Baron French bread. These are like 2 packs of little like pizzas, and we got a couple more here. And then this is gluten-free chips. We always get these tortilla chips. We got a big thing of Minute Maid Pulp-Free orange juice. We've been on an orange juice kick here all of a sudden, so we've been getting that lately. I got my hubby some Coke. And then this is Moss, what we call it Moss. It's plain yogurt. We always get this brand, and we eat it with chips and Moss is just what we call it. So it's like a family snack that we all eat. And for cereal, I got Lucky Charms, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and then that's it. Okay. All right, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this quick haul. If you guys have any questions about anything, just leave those down below. If you guys shop at Fry's Grocery, let me know. I really want to hear how many of you even know what that was or know what it is, because before I lived in Arizona, I've never even heard of a Fry's Grocery. But they have a lot of good deals. They're kind of similar to like a Safeway to me. So let me know in the comments. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that little alarm button. Give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye.